Good to see you all. I'm Shanapriya. In this video, we are going to see about classification algorithm, KNN, decision trees, and SVM. Previous video, we would see like regression algorithm, clustering, dimensional tendencies, and examples of the algorithms. In this video, we are going to see about classifications and their types and some of the algorithms and real-time uses. So we are going to see first of all what is classification. Classification is just a simple thing of machine learning area to classify what are the inputs and algorithms and classify other what are the types and their purpose of the use. So in this case, a classification is a simply enabled by predicting categories by their labels. This is a simple thing of the one-line statement of classification. For an example, spam or not spam, yes or no, this is or no, this is fake, real, category, false, is that thing or not. It's a statement like true or false. It's a like called classification, simply by predicting categories by their labels. So, what are the types of classifications or binary classification, multi-class classification, multimodal classifications? How many types of that maybe two types or maybe three labels or the multiple labels can be used. So, next type on this regression. Regression is nothing but it's a simple thing. That is the another type of method in machine learning, like similar of classification. There are some of the basic things are linear regressions, multilinear regression, polynomial regression, logistic regressions. In this video, first of all, we are going to see KNN, K nearest neighbors of what is K nearest neighbor. It's both used in classification and regression. Some of the topics, and main one is KNN. So what is KNS is a checking the nearest point that we plotted. So KNN classifies by checking the nearest neighbor of the pointed by their distance. It looks the how many most of them are surrounded by that. It's called KNN. It's basic concept. So what are the real-time examples or movie recommendations by actions if they like or not? What are their recommending? It's all comes under that thing. So other real-time examples are a pattern recognition, banking risk analysis, student performance predictions are some of an example of KNN. So next one is how it works. Like we choose a K and calculate the distance Euclidean formula and find the closest neighbor and majority vote. If it is S, if it is no. Both it work on classification and regression. So next one is when it will be used this date when data is small and patterns are simple, accuracy needed, but speed is critical. It's all other common when it is simple and small, we will use KNN. If avoid when the large data set and it's not suitable for that difficult pattern or difficult tick. So next one is a logistic regression. Logistic regression is nothing like it's like a classification. It just classifies 0 or 1. Example, email spam, yes or no, fast paying, diseases patterns, and a customer will buy or not. Just of imagination predictions are comes under logistic regressions. Next one is a decision tree. Decision trees are the thing are the same like that of classification regressions or that model. It will be branch the results. It comes for example, each node have its decision. Then each branch got at its outcome. Then each leaf have its final list. Then for example, decision trees and issues. So, for example, if we works on small data, and if it works on the categorical and plus numerical data, and handle the missing values good integrity, but it's not suitable for small values. For example, it's a failure. It's not a most of the failure model if it have the solution of a random forest. So next one is SVM. Support vector machine. Support vector machine is a supervised machine model, and it's used for integrated hyperplane. Next one is in this data, different pointer data sets is maximize the margin between. Then it's used for both linear and non-linear method. It's also not suitable for small changes. It use the big tree. So it also undercome like the decision tree. So use one is random forest. Next one is that also the solution is same random forest. Some of the examples are keywords, frequency, patterns, or some of the small keywords using for that SVM. Other real-time examples are face recognition, text classification, and bioinformatics are the some of the examples. Next one is kernel tricks. Kernel trick is a simple thing, a simple trick that's used on SVM. So it's a machine learning. It's also a machine learning technique for SVM handling thing. It's a non-linear type dimensions, and some of the nonlinear data are linear, polynomial, or BF are the some of the subtopics of kernel tree. Then on next one is the great examples are XOR pattern classification. It's a simple thing that used for calculating SVM. So that is a subtopic of kernel tree. So the real-time examples are, for example, hospital wants to predict if patient have diabetes. What are the inputs are maybe age, BMI, glucose level, blood pressures are the some of the inputs, and how it give the output by using classification and regression and these of models. We will find that if the patient have diabetes or no diabetes. Doctor used that early detection. So some of the real-time cases. So in this video, we will see some KNN similarity, decision tree, and SVM, how we use SVM by using kernel trick. In this video, we will see this. Next video, we will see some interesting topic. Thank you.